Hey, thanks for stopping by. One of my favorite things to eat when I go out to a Mexican restaurant, honestly, is refried beans. I love the beans and rice, but today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make the refried beans at home. You need just a few ingredients. Guys, this jar is bacon grease. Okay, I save my bacon grease whenever I fry bacon of the mornings, and I use it to fry a lot of things in and to season. For me, my way of making the refried beans, I have to have bacon grease. And I do store it in the refrigerator. Okay, I've got about a tablespoon or so of bacon grease. I have garlic. You could use garlic powder if you wanted. I like minced garlic, but use what you like. I'm going to use, this is probably about a teaspoon or so of minced garlic. I'm going to put that in there with the bacon. Now folks, you can use regular canned beans. I would use probably 2 of the 15-ounce cans, but folks, I'm a canner and I can these pinto beans, so I'm going to use my home canned beans in here. Like I say, you could use the store-bought, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to, I have this over about medium heat, which is about 6 or something like that. I have the bottom covered. I'm just going to pour my beans in here. I have my trusty potato masher, guys. I'm just going to sit and I'm going to mash the beans probably about half to 3/4 of the way mashed up. Now folks, you're going to think this is a lot of liquid, but that's okay. We're going to let this simmer, and then the liquid is going to evaporate. Now when I canned these beans, I did put salt in there. I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper. If you don't like pepper, guys, don't add it. I don't know, 1/4 teaspoon, something like that. Real life, guys, bloopers happen. Do they happen in your kitchen? They're all the time in my kitchen. But we're just going to let that simmer for just a few minutes. And then we are going to have some super simple refried beans that we've made at home. Okay, you can see this has really reduced to what it was when we first started and thickened up really nice. Now you could go even further that if you wanted to with this, but to me I think that's a good consistency. So I'm going to turn the heat off. It was on about medium, 15 minutes or so. So it doesn't take long. You just have to be patient and let it evaporate. Okay. I just have a bowl, a spoon, and let me get something better to get those out with, guys. Should have been prepared, but if you've watched very many of my videos, guess what, guys? Real life is what it is. Okay. So I'm just going to get a spoonful of this. Folks, I have this Mexican style grated cheese. To be honest with you, I don't speak Spanish, and I am not about to butcher the name of this. It's a Mexican grated cheese. It's really good. It's what they use in a lot of the Mexican restaurants. Now this will melt and be that nice, beautiful white cheese that you see on top of the beans in the Mexican restaurant. So it's very simple. Like I say, to make them at home, we're probably a total of 20 minutes into the process. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next video.